Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Pocket Option is a trading platform that provides an API for developers to interact programmatically with its services. While I can't provide direct access to the API or guarantee its current state, I can guide you on how to use it based on common practices for trading APIs, along with a Python code example. Pocket Option API Overview. The Pocket Option API allows you to perform actions such as fetching account balance, placing trades, retrieving market data, managing orders. Prerequisites. 1. Python installation. Ensure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from python.org, https://www.python.org/downloads. To install required libraries, you'll need the requests library to interact with the API. You can install it via pip. 3. API credentials. You will need an API key from Pocket Option. Sign up on their platform and navigate to the API section to generate your key. Basic API structure. The typical structure of API requests includes 1. Base URL, the endpoint you will be sending requests to. 2. Authentication, usually involves sending an API key in the headers. 3. Endpoints, specific paths for different functionalities, example /balance, /trade, etc. Example code. Here's a basic example of how to use the Pocket Option API in Python to check your account balance. Remember that the actual endpoint and method names may vary based on the latest API documentation from Pocket Option. Explanation of the code. 1. Imports. The requests library is imported to handle HTTP requests. 2. Constants. Base URL and API key are defined as constants. Replace API_base_URL and API_key with actual values. 3. Function. Get_account_balance, sends a GET request to the balance endpoint. It includes the API key in the header for authentication. 4. Response handling. If the response is successful, status code 200, it returns the balance data. Otherwise, it prints an error message. 5. Execution block. The script checks if it is running as the main module and calls the get_account_balance function. It prints the balance if retrieved successfully. Important considerations. Rate limiting. Be aware of any rate limits imposed by the API to avoid getting blocked. Error handling. Implement robust error handling for production use. API documentation. Always refer to the official API documentation for the latest endpoints and methods. Security. Keep your API key secure and avoid hard coding it in scripts. Consider using environment variables or a configuration file. Conclusion. This tutorial provides a foundational understanding of how to interact with the Pocket Option API using Python. Modify and expand upon this template according to your trading strategy and the specific functionalities you wish to implement.